Hello everyone, this is Mo and Abhi from Kolkata. On 9th of December 2019, we got blessed with our baby boy, Ivaan. Being first-time parents, we were in search of a comfortable cot bed for our little one. Thanks to Mothercare Quest Mall, we got what we were looking for, the Marlow Cot bed and mattress. The cot bed directly got delivered to our home and was very easy to put together. Our little bundle of joy loves his bed and sleeps really well on the firm mattress. We love the simple design that goes really well with our bedroom. The cot bed is extremely sturdy and can be readjusted as our little boy grows bigger. We highly recommend the Marlow Cot bed for every newborn. We also got him a little sensory toy from the store. Our 4 months old loves playing with the monkey. Overall, we are extremely happy with the products that Mothercare offers. We appreciate their effort and would love to shop more for our newborn. We would also like to thank Ms. Shrestha Banerjee from Mothercare Quest Mall for being so helpful to us. She really guided us well to get the right cot bed for our baby. Thank you, Shrestha. Thank you, Mothercare.